Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the SDC Knowledge Series. I am Namrata, and today in episode 11, we're diving into our Townhome Project, a township where we designed a full house lot. To talk about how Python scripting made this process smarter, I'm joined by our BIM manager, Dilip. Dilip, in this Townhome project, what was the main challenge with managing door and window tags?
Good question, Namrata. Since this is a township project, we had multiple units repeating across lots. Manually tagging every door and window was not only repetitive but also prone to human error. That's where Python scripting stepped in.
So, how exactly did Python help us here?
We wrote a Python script in pyRevit that automated the tagging process. It read the element data directly from the model and applied consistent tags for doors and windows across all units. This saved us hours of manual work and ensured accuracy throughout the project.
And what does this mean for future township projects?
It means scalability. With scripting, whether we're working on 10 units or 100, the process stays efficient. It standardizes data, reduces errors, and allows the design team to focus more on creativity instead of repetitive tasks.
That's fascinating, Dilip. Thank you for sharing. So, episode 11 showed us how Python scripting simplifies door and window tagging in township projects. Stay tuned for our next episode in the SDC Knowledge series, where we'll continue exploring real world BIM applications.